Good morning, grade 2, Newton. It's me again, teacher Donna, and welcome to our math class. For today's topic, we are going to discuss about subtraction with regrouping. So it is the continuation for our last topic, which is subtraction without regrouping. Okay. So what is regrouping? So regrouping, it is borrowing is a word which we use to take 10 again, to take 10 from one number to give to the another number. Okay, we do this, the regrouping, we do this when we do not have enough to subtract two numbers. Okay, how do you know when to regroup? Okay, you know it's time to regroup when the number you are subtracting is larger than the number which you are subtracting from. Okay, here are some examples. So we have here 41, 51, and 49. Subtracted by 49, yeah, and equals 2. So the first one, the first rule is we're gonna subtract first the ones place. So we have here 1 and 9. So we all know that the number 1 is less than from the another number, which is the number 9. So what we're going to do is number 1 cannot take away 9. So we must borrow from the 5. So again, we will gonna add 10. So it will become 11. Diba? It's in the rule it's the meaning of a regrouping. We're gonna borrow to his or its neighbor. So the neighbor of 1 is 5. So we're gonna borrow 5 to its number. And then 5 will become 4. And we're gonna subtract now because 11 is now a larger number than the 9. So 11 minus 9 is equals to 2. Very good. How about this one? 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So we do not na lang write 0 in it. So the answer is 51 minus 49 is equals to, it equals to 0. We have another example. We have here 25 minus 18 is equals to. Again, the same process. We're going to subtract first the ones place. So we have here 5 and 8. And we all know that 5 is lesser than the number 8. So 5 will borrow to its neighbor. So 5 cannot take away 8. So we must borrow from that 2. So 2 will become, 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. And 2 will become 1. So now we can now subtract 15 and 8. So 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. And 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, no? So we do not need na lang to write 0 on it. Okay. Another example we have here, a bigger number now with 100 place. We have here 508 minus 324 subtracted. It's equals to. So 8 minus 4, we will not regroup that one because 8 is a larger number than the 4. So 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. But how about this one in the tens place? It's 0 minus 2. So we're gonna regroup this one. So 0 cannot take away 2 mano. So we must borrow from the 5. You cannot borrow in the 8 high. It's because it's done naman already. So we're gonna borrow to the hundreds place, which is the number 5. So 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. So 0 plus 10 is equals to 10. Now we can now subtract 10 minus 2 is equals to, very good, it's 8. How about this one? 4 minus 3. it's equals to 1. So the answer is 508 minus 324 is equals to 184. Okay, very good. So let's play a game. Should you regroup? You will answer yes or no. Okay, should we borrow? 642 minus 317 is equals to yes or no. Should we borrow? Okay, you subtract it first. Okay, very good. The answer is yes. 959 is the answer. How about this one? Should we borrow? 69 minus 56 is equals to? You subtract it first. Okay, it's 13, so it's no. How about this one? Should we borrow 46 minus 18 is equals to? Okay, it's yes. So the answer is 28. How about this one? 36 minus 27 is equals to? 9. Yes, so it's a yes. So there you go. So very good grade 10 Newton. And I hope you learned something from Teacher Donna. And these are the things to do in Math 2 Lesson 3.1. Okay, I hope you learned something from me. And thank you for watching. And see you in our next class. Goodbye!